Peace be to you. Proverbs chapter 1 verses 8 to 9. Hear, my son, your father's instruction, and reject not your mother's teaching, for they are fair garland for your head and pendants for your neck. Children need to obey their parents because the nature demands it. Children need to obey their parents because the law demands it. Sometimes we feel that our parents cannot understand us, and sometimes that they get in the way of our happiness too. This is why many of us have experienced fighting and arguing against our parents at some point. However, we should not forget that our parents love us and all they want is the best for us. At times, when they seem to be very strict, they just want us to protect us from all possible harms. That's why they need our understanding and respect. So how can we show that we love and value them? Here are 10 ways that can help us show our respect to our parents. First, create positive thoughts about them. Our emotions are affected by our thoughts. So if we want to be more understanding to our parents, we have to start thinking positively about them. Second, understand the generation gap. Be open-minded about the generation gap between us and our parents. Also remember that they are guided by their own experiences while dealing with us. Third, talk to them constantly. Communication helps us understand the thoughts of our parents. It also helps in strengthening our relationship as family. Fourth, express our gratitude to them. Always take time to thank them for their sacrifices and everything they do. We can never repay them for what they have done for us. Fifth, appreciate every little things they do. Along with saying thank you, praise them for the things they do to make us feel loved. A small appreciation means a lot to them. Sixth, beware of our language when we are with them. Avoid using foul words, especially when our parents are around us. We should also be courteous while talking to them. 7. Prioritize them over friends. We should always put our family, especially our parents, above others. Friends may come and go, but family is forever. 8. Ask an opinion while making major decisions. By doing this, you will not only get wise and a sincere opinion, but this will also boost the self-esteem of your parents and make them feel valued. 9. Show affection by hugging and kissing them. We should not be shy for expressing our feelings for them. Our hugs and kisses show how grateful we are for having them as our parents. And last but not the least, 10th, give them presents. By giving them even small presents, they feel happy. Not because they are getting something, but because they feel valued and remembered. Thank you for watching me. May God bless you.